Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crème brûlée without a torch. First, preheat your oven broiler to its highest setting. Place your chilled crème brûlée ramekins on a baking sheet. Position them about 4 to 6 inches from the heat source. Broil for just 2 to 3 minutes, watching constantly until the sugar turns a beautiful golden brown and forms a crisp crust. This method is quick and effective. To achieve that perfect, crackable crust, superfine granulated sugar is your best friend. Sprinkle a thin, even layer over the chilled custard. This ensures consistent melting and caramelization. Keep a very close eye on it during the broiling process. Sugar can go from perfectly golden to burnt in mere seconds, so vigilance is key for a delicious result.
If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the amazing Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping you refreshed while you're baking up a storm. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
If a broiler isn't an option, you have other choices. A hot metal spoon heated over a gas burner can melt the sugar. Carefully press it onto the sugar layer. Alternatively, a small kitchen blowtorch offers precise control if you happen to have one. Remember, the goal is a thin, even layer of caramelized sugar for that satisfying crack. Before caramelizing, you need a silky smooth custard. Gently heat heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla until just simmering. In a separate bowl, whisk egg yolks. Slowly pour the warm cream into the yolks while whisking constantly to temper them. Pour into ramekins and bake in a water bath at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.